Hey traders, John Howell here. In this video, I'm going to talk about the best technical indicators for swing trading. So let's get into it. Alright, so let's get straight into it right now. We're going to talk about the best technical indicators that I like to use. I'm going to actually talk about two main ones that I like to use that's really going to help you move forward when talking about the best technical indicators for swing trading itself. Okay, now anything I do say in this video is general advice only. Okay, that's a disclaimer. Now, onto the intelligent stuff. The intelligent stuff is that trading the market is risky, right? It's not for everyone. When you do start to trade, make sure that you understand charting analysis. You understand your trading system. You've done your paper trade. You've done your back testing. You've done your paper trading, right? And when you do start trading, the markets, make sure that you start trading small amount of money. Makes sense? Because, you know, when you do start trading small amount of money, if there are losses, it's not going to hurt you too much, okay? That's not a disclaimer. That's been intelligent about your trading decisions. Make sense? Let's get straight into this tutorial here. Education video to help you out here. So, best technical indicators for swing trading. What I like to use is, if you're looking for swing trading, first, don't use a small time frame chart, okay? Don't use an hourly chart. Use a daily chart, okay? Right now, I'm looking at a daily chart of this index here. This is the S&P 500, but this can be represented over any stock or any time frame. Make sense? So what I like to do and what I like to use this for is I like to use this for where, you know, when we're getting into the markets, right, and when we're trading the markets, there's two different things. One, I like to use moving averages, and two, I like to use stochastics. So let me actually just bring up one recent trade that I did, and I can represent that by actually looking at the trade that I actually did, and therefore you can actually see a bit more about what I'm talking about here. So let's go here and let's bring up this one here. All right, so let's have a look at this here. Okay, the first thing that there's two main indicators that I like to use. First one is the moving averages, right? So if you have a look on this chart here, right? If you have a look on this chart here, and you can see that, okay, look at this. This one here is the 200 moving average. If we're below the 200 moving average, then that's showing long-term weakness, right? Long-term weakness. So we're only looking for short signals, and if you can't short the market, if you can maybe do an option on a short side or something like that, that's we're looking for that, okay? Second thing is we're looking for is the market respecting any moving averages as a support and or resistance levels? So you can see here, right, this is the 200, but you can see, look, every time I got to this 52, look at it, rejected there, rejected there, rejected there. Look at the resistance, support, right? So it's definitely respecting those levels there. So we're going to say, okay, cool. First thing we need to do is, okay, cool. If we're looking for trades, we're looking for where's the indicators pointing. Well, we've got the 200 pointing down, and we've got this 52 pointing down. This other one here is also the 20 moving average, and that's pointing down. Okay, cool. So if they're all pointing down, then I'm looking for an entry signal. And the best timing to be getting in is when the market runs up in towards these levels here. We're at a pullback, and we get the stochastics getting in and running over into the oversold level. So as you can see, this point right here, look where that one right there, look where the stochastics was, right? And then suddenly the stochastics, this market started rolling over. These stochastics down the bottom here started rolling over, and look what happened. Good trade, right? Ran back up, look at that, straight back into there. Look where that is, look where the stochastics are, and then good trade, right? Came down. But look what happened here, right? The market ran up here, okay? Ran up to there, it sort of paused, broke above, and now look at this one here, right? This one there is actually this one right here, but it's above the 52. So you wouldn't take it, right? Because it's like it's showing a bit more strength. And then the market rolls over. And then that's what happens. And this is actually a trade that I recently took just recently, okay? You can actually see by looking at the moving average, we've got the 200 pointing down, we've got the 52 pointing down, we've got the 20 pointing down. The market ran up into this level through here, and then we started to pull back through here. And then what I saw the stochastics here starting to turn over, and so this is where I got in. Okay, I went short. I actually bought some options on this and wrote it down for a profit. Now I didn't get out. I think I got out around about here somewhere. Okay, that was a really nice. I think it was around close to 40% profit on the option. Okay, now I'm not saying just trade on that. Okay, I have my reasons of getting in. I look at the weekly chart as well too, and I have my exact entry day as well too. I have good money management as well too. So I'm not saying just trade based on what I'm saying here, okay? But I'm just showing you that just by combining these tools here, you can see how that by looking at these moving averages, it can give you a good entry on where these things are likely to go. Make sense? So by utilizing these, it's really going to help you a lot when trading the markets, okay? So that's the two best indicators I like to use, which is stochastics and moving average. Combine them together and you will start to see an increase in probability of what you are doing in your trading. Now, if you'd like to learn more about how I do things, I'm giving away a free complete Grab the Markets by the Balls course. That's right, Grab the Markets by the Balls course. Click on this image up the top here, right here. Okay, see the image up the top there? That's going to send you over to a page where you can actually get 12 videos, a full complete course for free. Charting techniques, mistakes that most traders make, a whole complete charting techniques, trading systems, money management, you name it. It's all there to help you out for free. So go over and check it out. You're going to absolutely love it when you see it, okay? Anyway, guys, John Howell here, officialjohnhowell.com. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it, so step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.